Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to show hidden files and folders with just a mouse click. No need to open the File Explorer settings every time. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to show the hidden files and folders by using the double click shortcut, I'm first going to show you the manual way, and then when we are done, we create a double click shortcut for the hidden files and folders, okay? So to get started, I'm going to click on the File Explorer, and then to show the hidden files and folders, we are going to click on View, and then we click on Show, and then we click on Hidden Items, okay? So now let me show you the hidden files and folders. So let me click on my local drive C, and then these are the hidden files and folders, okay? You see? Okay, the ones grayed out. Okay, now to hide them again, we are going to click on the View, and then we go to Show, and then we click on Hidden Items. You see, now they are gone. So now we are going to create a double click shortcut for the hidden files and folders. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to right click on the desktop, and then I'll go to New, then I'll go to Shortcut. Okay, so I'm going to copy my script and then I'll paste it in the shortcut location. Okay, but I'm going to leave the script at the description below. You try it and leave your comment at the comment section. So let me open my script, then I'm going to copy this script. Okay, so let me close Notepad and paste it here at the location. So I'm going to click on Next, then I'm going to name it Toggle Hidden Items. Okay, now click on Finish. So now here is the file we just created. Okay, so to show hidden files and folders, we are just going to double click on this shortcut, and then it will give us the hidden files and folders. So let me demonstrate to you quickly. Okay, so let me go to my drive C, and then we see. Okay, so now we have access to our hidden files and folders now in the drive C, and every location you want to view the hidden files and folders. Okay, so you see we have the hidden files and folders. So let me close my drive C, and then to hide them again, we are going to double click on this shortcut. Okay, so let me go back to the drive C again, and then we see if they are there or not. So let me click on the local disk C. Now you see we've hide the hidden files and folders. Okay, so this is how to create a shortcut for the hidden files and folders, so you don't have to go through the manual way and the long process. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.